Let's bring back in Oliver Sloup from Blue Line Futures in Chicago. All right, Oliver, what do you reckon about this livestock market? It's been an interesting one as of late.
Yeah, it really has. To start the week, especially, we saw an immense amount of pressure, especially in the feeder cattle complex. We broke below some of the recent lows and saw a bit of a capitulation late Monday afternoon at about 12:56. Someone dumped several thousand contracts, and we saw the market drop about $2.25 in the matter of a couple seconds, only to bounce back $2.25 and a little bit more into the close. And so we looked at that as peak panic capitulation. Someone threw in the towel. There were buyers ready, willing, and able. And I think that set the tone for the following day and yesterday's momentum. Now we're just taking a little bit of a breather. But all in all, I like the peak panic that we saw on Monday, and I think that could help cement a bit of a near-term low in the market.
Or that could have been just my sell order getting filled. You know, that's just the kind of luck that I have. All right, lean hogs posting a better day today. Do you have any explanation why you think that's happening?
Well, we saw some great exports this morning, and I think that's what the market needed, to get some good fundamental news behind it, to get some buyers interested. And that's obviously got a little bit of a tailwind in the market today. But I don't want to go too far too fast. I want to be able to stair step higher. What concerns me is the gap that we left from the opening trade. A lot of times those gaps get filled, so we're looking to use a pullback as a buying opportunity so long as we can continue to defend that opening gap. All in all, I think this market can march higher, but again, I want to see it in an orderly fashion, kind of stair-stepping with higher lows and higher highs. If we can do that, I think we can get back out above that 80 handle, which is right about where that 100-day moving average comes in.
And you brought up something that's interesting. We had export sales. We had export sales today too in the grain markets, and I would say that I want to give that a B plus. I mean, it was rather healthy. A lot of the expectations, or a lot of the numbers, hit the higher estimates on when it came to the expectations. So not too bad over there. We had some okay demand, but it really hasn't flown through into the prices here that we've got. So I really appreciate that, Oliver. Thank you very much for what you've brought to the table today. I really appreciate your insight. That's Oliver Sloup from Blue Line Futures in Chicago.